Is there a such thing as Tantra for lesbians or two women? Yes. And do I teach it? Yes, this is the best part. So yes, two women or two bisexual women together. And of course, there are many solo practices that a single or just wanting to practice alone in our own energy that we can do. But talking about the tantric partner exercises or the tantric sexual exercises, yes. And I can teach you those. And how about I teach you one now? So these are great whether your relationship is fabulous, everything's going well, and you just want to do something fun together, or you connect together, or maybe you have been together a long time and start to experience lesbian deathbed, like the sex is going down. Let's awaken that. So I can teach you many, but right now I'm going to teach you Yob Yum for two women. The first part, you can stay just here doing this one, is both sitting cross-legged, typically maybe the lighter person or the woman that's going to do the feminine part later in the second part will sit on top. So maybe the one kind of more in charge in the relationship might sit on the bottom. So both sit cross-legged, the top person, legs around the other, and you just breathe in unison while looking into each other's eyes, especially the feminine eye. Your partner's left eye is more open and receptive. So looking in that eye, maybe you'll notice if you look in the other, where the masculine energy runs more through the circuits of the body, it is not as open. So gazing, if you can think about it, into the left eye, and just breathing together, relaxed, loosening up the body, breathing together for several minutes, not thinking, making this a meditation, maybe smiling a little, letting the other person see the authentic you and look into seeing them fully as well. So the second part, if you want to try this, you can do for about 5 minutes. So you're still sitting cross-legged, and one person is going to be more in the feminine energy and the other in the masculine energy. This is not one person being male and one person being female. This is more about moving the energy. So masculine energy is more strong, fiery, hot, and feminine energy is more calm, soft, cool, flowy. So like a flowy dance rather than like strong dance or tough. Because women, feminine or masculine energy can both be strong. So breathing together and then switch it. So how about we do the person that's wants to do the masculine energy, typically stay with how you are normally, the more masculine person in the relationship. Powerfully breathe. And thinking about maybe sending that out, with making the circuit go out. And then inhaling through the nose, exhale. And then the person doing the feminine energy, you're going to inhale the opposite way, softer, even exhaling softer, inhaling through the nose, exhaling softer. So just working with those circuits, so doing the ones that you maybe feel more inclined in the moment to do. And then maybe another time you might want to switch the practice to where doesn't feel comfortable. Like I normally would like to do the more masculine energy, but it could be good for one time for me to switch and do the part I don't like to do in the moment, the feminine, like not being in charge in the exercise and just more emotional and soft. But it can be good to let go of a different kind of tension or release something or heal something in a way by doing the part that we wouldn't do. And then after the exercise is over, then you can do your normal part and then go back to being your authentic self in your daily life, however you normally live, but just to get to experience the other part. And sometimes it can really help the relationship by doing the other part of the exercise, yab yum, that we normally would, because it gives us more of a perspective. It gives us more of a perspective on the other person. And of course, in a relationship, especially lesbian or bisexual queer relationship, we want to know the perspective of the other person, right? Yes. So I hope this helped and wasn't too confusing, but know that anyone can practice Tantra, and I am here to guide anyone that wants to learn how to do it as a lesbian, queer, or bisexual woman. Okay, and also straight people, I can help you as well. So I'm here to guide you. I hope to see you and chat with you at my website, solotantra.com, or shoot me an email, and maybe I will see you at a workshop or retreat in the future. Thank you.